Hi friends, Mr. Justin here from the Hoover Public Library. February is Black History Month, so to help celebrate, I want to share the work of an artist I admire and make a piece inspired by her. Her name is Faith Ringgold, and she was born in 1930 in Harlem, New York. And she's well known for her narrative quilt painting. That's quilts that tell a story. One of her most famous quilts can be found in the book Tar Beach. Click on the link below in the description to watch Faith Ringgold read Tar Beach. Here is my art piece that I made after reading Tar Beach. And just like in the story, I'm using my imagination to fly through what I love about the world. So now it's your turn to make a piece. I'll show you how. Let's get started. The art piece you'll be making is about you flying above your favorite place. Just like Faith Ringgold's Tar Beach, this will be an imaginative self-portrait. So, gather your supplies. Paper, glue, scissors, markers, crayons, whatever you'd like to color with. Step 1. Glue paper squares along the edge of your paper. This technique is called collage. Though we aren't using fabric thread, this will help make our work look like one of Faith Ringgold's quilts. Step 2. Decide your background color. You can use the white of the paper. Or you can collage a different color down first. Step 3. Draw, color, collage, or paint yourself flying over your favorite place. Here, I chose to draw myself on a green paper and cut it out and collage it down. Step 4. Add some creative elements to your collage border. I'm going to outline these cool flowers with my purple marker. Draw some circles on this plan. Put some dots on these flowers. Do some hatch marks here. Do some squiggles here. Make these lines into trees. You can do whatever you'd like. Darken these swoops. Very good. Ta-da! Okay friends, happy art making. In the words of Faith Ringgold, it's very easy. Anyone can fly. All you need is somewhere to go you can't get to any other way. The next thing you know, you're flying among the stars. We can't wait to see your Faith Ringgold inspired art pieces, so share them with us on social media at HPL Kidz. And learn more about Faith Ringgold's life and work in her own words with the PBS series Craft in America, which you can find linked below this very video.